Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel World of Life Sciences. On this channel I would be sharing all sort of information related to the field of life sciences. And before starting I would like to give a short intro about myself. So I'm Monica and I'm Monica Sangna and right now I'm pursuing my PhD in biomedical sciences from University of Delhi. I did my graduation and post graduation also both in biomedical sciences only, and I have clear CSIR, GRF net and UGC GRF net in year 2018. Um, right now on this channel I have made actually to help people to gain knowledge related to the field of science or biology, and specifically related to life sciences, and also to the current scenario or current situations or current research going on along the globe. So today I would be in this video I would be basically discussing something which is related to COVID-19. And we know that COVID-19 is a pandemic situation right now, and it is leading to a lot of death all over the globe. And if we think about the current scenario, so in India the situation is really worse right now. There is shortage of everything, like from availability of medical facilities to availability of oxygen supply to facility to availability of drugs, medical drugs. There is nothing which is available right now easily to the common people, and a lot of people are suffering right now. You can see that people are literally on the road, and they're not able to do anything for their families. And also you can see that uh, even for, like, if you need a oxygen right now or oxygen cylinder right now, you need a drug. So there is a lot of problem going on that you cannot buy it very easily. Even though you have a money, then also it's a problem. So today in this video I would be discussing about an antiviral drug which is remdesivir, and which is a very important drug. And this drug has a role in curing COVID-19. But the question is it a miracle or not? So that would be discussed, that I would be discussing in the my lecture today. And further, there are a lot of news regarding this, like there is a black marketing going off remdesivir, be it like and even there is such a shortage that even the company which manufacture this drug uh, has agreed right now to give around like 4,50,000 remdesivir to India. And India is also taking help from other countries like Egypt, UK, France, for this drug, for the supply of this drug, as there is a really shortage of this drug. So let's discuss why remdesivir is so important, what is its role, what is the mechanism of its action, and is it a miracle right now? And also let's discuss how it has to be given, what is its dose, and everything related to remdesivir. So we would be discussing it today in the lecture. Thank you. So let's get started. So the topic is remdesivir as a repurposed drug for COVID-19 treatment. So as we know, there is a lot of shortage going of this drug remdesivir, and there is a for because there is a shortage of this drug, so it is available through black marketing. For one drug, the people, these are people charging like around 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees. So there has been people who have been arrested because of the black marketing of this drug. So there is a huge shortage of this drug, and it has a role in curing your COVID-19 treatment. Now even today there is a news which says that government of India has asked the company which makes remdesivir, US based company, to provide them with approximately 4,50,000 remdesivir drug. And also in the government of India is asking other countries like UK, Egypt for this drug. So now let's see what is remdesivir. So remdesivir is basically a broad spectrum antiviral drug, and it has been manufactured by a US based company in 2014. It was initially used to treat your Ebola virus, and then it has been also seen that this drug also has a role in treatment of patients having MERS and SARS, which both belongs to member of coronavirus family. This remdesivir, it's an intravenous nucleotide prodrug of adenosine analog, and it goes and bind to your viral RNA dependent RNA polymerase and inhibit the replication of virus. This drug was first approved by US FDA in 2020 for the treatment of coronavirus. So now this drug may also be used to treat adults, and it is recommended to use this for the children's age 12 or older who have been hospitalized for COVID-19. So if I say this drug, ये जो ड्रग है ये एक इंट्रावेनस ड्रग है. ये इंट्रावेनस मीन्स आपके वेन्स के अंदर ये ड्रग दिया जाता है, और ये ड्रग एक हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एडेनोसाइन न्यूक्लियोटाइड मॉलिक्यूल होता है. ये उसका एनालॉग है, मतलब उसके जैसा है. ये आपका जाके वायरल जो होता है, वायरल का जीनोम होता है, जैसे हमारा जीनोम डीएनए है, ऐसे वायरल का जीनोम आरएनए होता है. तो ये वायरल आरएनए को रेप्लिकेट करने से बचाता है. तो जब वायरल आरएनए रेप्लिकेट नहीं होगा तो जो वायरल की कॉपीज है हमारी बॉडी के अंदर वो कम बनेगी. तो दिस इज हाउ जो हमारा रेमडेसिविर एक्ट कर रहा है. If we go to next slide, this next slide is basically showing you the molecular mechanism of action. जो हमारा SARS-CoV-2 वायरस है, ये एपिथेलियल सेल्स जो हमारे बॉडी पे सेल्स होते हैं उन पे जाके ACE2 रिसेप्टर के साथ बाइंड करता है. जब ये ACE2 रिसेप्टर सेल्स जो एपिथेलियल सेल्स पे बाइंड करेगा, उसके बाद ये क्या करेगा, ये बॉडी के अंदर चला जाएगा. बॉडी के अंदर जाने के बाद वायरल जो है, वायरस जो है वो अपना जीनोम, उसका जीनोम क्या है, आरएनए, वो रिलीज करेगा एपिथेलियल सेल्स के अंदर. जो आरएनए है दैट इज अ सिंगल स्ट्रैंड मॉलिक्यूल. हमारा होता है डीएनए जो डबल स्ट्रैंड होता है. ये जो SARS-CoV वायरस है, कोरोना वायरस, इसका जो जीनोम है वो आरएनए से बना हुआ है. इस आरएनए को, मतलब वायरस को, बॉडी के अंदर सर्वाइव करने के लिए अपने आप को अपना सिंथेसिस करना होगा, अपने आरएनए मॉलिक्यूल, और अपने आप को और सिंथेसाइज करना पड़ेगा. तो उसके लिए उससे एक एंजाइम जिसको हम बोलते हैं RDRP, विच इज आरएनए डिपेंडेंट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज एंजाइम, उसकी जरूरत होती है. सो व्हाट इट इज, which means that you know this viral RNA required RDRP, which is RNA dependent RNA polymerase for synthesis of RNA, for replication of RNA inside the body. Now this remdesivir is actually is a prodrug. Prodrug means it has to it has to get converted itself into a active metabolite, and this is it get converted into active metabolite when it is given it get converted to active metabolite inside the body. Once it is converted into active metabolite, what it would do, it would go and bind to this RDRP. So that means what it is doing, it would be not allowing the viral this RDRP enzyme to function. So RDRP won't be able to now synthesize your RNA. So इसमें एग्जैक्टली हो क्या रहा है कि जो आपका वायरस का जो जीनोम है वो आरएनए से बना हुआ है. आरएनए को मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए एक एंजाइम होता है RDRP, जिसको हम बोलते हैं आरएनए डिपेंडेंट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज. ये जो आरएनए पॉलीमरेज होता है ये वायरस की मल्टीप्लिकेशन रेप्लिकेशन के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. जो आपका रेमडेसिविर है, ये ड्रग आपको प्रो ड्रग मिलता है, मतलब कि ये अभी एक्टिव नहीं है बॉडी के, जब हम इसको यूज कर रहे हैं वो एक्टिव नहीं है. बॉडी के अंदर जाके ये एक्टिव हो जाता है, और ये फिर जाके आपका जो ये आरएनए का रेप्लिकेशन है, आरएनए डिपेंडेंट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज जो ये आरएनए को रेप्लिकेट कर रहा है वायरस के, उसको ब्लॉक कर रहा है. उसके ब्लॉक करने से क्या हो रहा है कि वो आरएनए को अब सिंथेसाइज नहीं कर पा रहा है. तो इससे क्या हो रहा है कि अब जो वायरस का जो रेप्लिकेशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन पहले जितना हो रहा था अब वो उतना नहीं होगा. ठीक है. सो ये मैकेनिज्म है कि रेमडेसिविर कैसे एक्ट कर रहा है. वो बेसिकली वायरल आरएनए जो है उसको बनने से रोकता है, जिसकी वजह से वायरस का जो सिंथेसिस है अब वो उतना नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, so the question is remdesivir is a miracle for curing COVID? Now, this use of remdesivir is beneficial only in terms of shortening the time to recovery by approximate 5 days of patient early in their disease or on low flow oxygen. This was said by Dr. Neeraj Nishal, additional professor at AIMS. So he says that if you're using a remdesivir, if a person who is suffering from this COVID-19 in the early, if the person is at early disease and is on low flow oxygen, then if you are providing that patient with remdesivir, what it is doing, it is shortening the time of recovery. So if it was like taking a person was taking approximately 10 days to recover earlier, now after remdesivir injection, it would take around 5 days to recover. Similarly, clinical trials also has suggested the same thing, and there was a study which was done by Grain J et al. In which is reported in your New England Journal of Medicine. This was reported in 2020, where they have taken a 53 patients, and those 53 patients were having severe COVID-19, and they were given remdesivir for 10 days. So for the first day, they was given 200 milligram of remdesivir intravenously, and then for the next 9 days, they were given 100 mg. So what is the result of this study? The study shows that the 68 patients who were 68% of the patients who were given this remdesivir, they show clinical improvement in the presence of oxygen support. That means what remdesivir is doing, it is actually leading to shortening of your recovery time. But if the person is already at a stage where his oxygen level is already very low, and the symptoms are very high, he needs an ICU, there maybe remdesivir is not a miracle for that person. It is when the person is being provided with proper oxygen support, then the person can recover. So there are chances that remdesivir would be recovering, would be helping in speedy recovery. So क्या हो रहा है कि रेमडेसिविर जो है एक हम कहे कि क्या वो एक मिरेकल है कोविड-19 की ट्रीटमेंट में, तो ऐसा नहीं है क्या रेमडेसिविर, क्योंकि रेमडेसिविर क्या करता है, जो पहले अगर किसी को रिकवर होने में 10 दिन लग रहे थे, तो आपने जब रेमडेसिविर का इंजेक्शन दिया तो अब उसको रिकवर करने के लिए 5 डेज लगेंगे, क्योंकि उसने जो है पहले जितना वायरल लोड उस बंदे के पेशेंट के बॉडी में था, अब वो वायरल लोड कम हो गया है, इस वजह से तो वो जल्द ही रिकवर करेगा कंपेयर टू द पेशेंट जिसको रेमडेसिविर नहीं दिया गया है। ठीक है, और ये कुछ स्टडीज में भी बताया गया है, जैसे कि एक स्टडी हुई थी ग्रेन जे इटॉल, मतलब उनके ऑथर्स थे, और उन्होंने एक ये स्टडी जो पब्लिश है न्यू इंग्लैंड जर्नल ऑफ मेडिसिन, उसमें देखा गया था कि 53 पेशेंट थे जिनको सीवियर कोविड-19 था और उनको रेमडेसिविर का इंजेक्शन दिया गया था। तो 68 पेशेंट जो पेशेंट्स थे उन्होंने क्लिनिकल इंप्रूवमेंट दिखाई थी ऑक्सीजन की सपोर्ट की प्रेजेंट में। Now the question is how remdesivir is to be given. So first of all, you need a person who is the person trained in medicine, or the person means a well equipped person who can give the injection is only recommended to give the remdesivir injection, and it is given intravenously, that is into the vein, and this process of infusion of this remdesivir, it takes around 30 to 120 minutes, and it is recommended that this should be given once per day, that is also for 5 to 10 days, and it is basically recommended on the patients, if the patient require oxygen support or not require oxygen support. So based on that, the days are calculated, whether they have to be given for 5 days or for the 10 days. Also, when a person is being given remdesivir injections, so there is a requirement of a person to undergo liver functioning test, because the remdesivir has it basically alter your liver functions, so it is important to go through it. And then while being treated with remdesivir for COVID-19, it is also advised that there should be the person or the patient should remain under the guidance of the doctor, under the supervision of the doctor. तो रेमडेसिविर का जो इंजेक्शन है वो इंट्रावेनस दिया जाता है, मतलब आपके वेन्स के अंदर दिया जाएगा, और ये प्रोसेस पूरा वेन्स के अंदर जो आपको जो इंजेक्शन दिया जा रहा है ये 30 से 120 मिनट का होता है। तो ये कहा जाता है कि एक इंजेक्शन आपको एक पर डे लेना होगा और ये कम से कम 5 या 10 दिन के लिए लिया जाता है। डिपेंड करता है कि स्टेट ऑफ किस तरह की स्टेट है पेशेंट की, वो ऑक्सीजन लेवल मतलब उसके अंदर कितना कम है और ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट है कि नहीं है। और जब रेमडेसिविर का इंजेक्शन दिया जा रहा है तो उस टाइम पे ये एडवाइस किया जाता है कि लिवर फंक्शन का टेस्ट किया जाए। और ये होता है कि इट इज ऑल्सो एडवाइस कि जब ये ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है तो उस टाइम सुपरविजन ऑफ डॉक्टर के अंडर ही पेशेंट रहे। Now, if we talk about the side effects of remdesivir, obviously it's a drug, so there would be some kind of a side effect. So, like the side effects are your organ impairment, fevers, chills, shivering, irregular heartbeat, swelling on the face. There would be severe nausea, severe headache, nausea, itching, sweating, and all. Of course, there would be a alteration of the liver function. तो साइड इफेक्ट में क्या क्या है कि आपके ऑर्गन इम्पेयरमेंट हो सकते हैं, ऑर्गन्स खराब हो सकते हैं, मल्टीपल ऑर्गन फेलियर, जैसे कि ऑर्गन्स पे काफी इफेक्ट हो सकता है, फीवर हो सकता है, आपको ठंड लग सकती है, आपके हार्ट बीट एबनॉर्मल हो सकती है, आपके फेस पे स्वेलिंग आ सकती है, आपका हेडेक हो सकता है, नोजिया, इचिंग, स्वेटिंग, और आपका जो लीवर का फंक्शंस है वो मतलब ऑल्टर हो सकते हैं, उनमें प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है। So this was all about remdesivir, why it is important, what is its role as antiviral drug, and how it is given, what are the clinical studies, and what are the side effects of remdesivir. So now I would like to thank you all for watching this video, and if you like the updates, if you want more and more updates, please like and subscribe to the channel. And God bless you all and your family, and I hope we would recover soon from this situation. Thank you.